Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a power half hour. I am blitzing Olivia's room. I'm just going to wipe over her mirrors, wipe over her blinds, give everything a good dust, a vacuum and a mop. Popped her sheets in the wash as well, so her room will be nice and clean and tidy for when she returns home from school. The kids do clean their rooms. They have the job of popping their clothes away every afternoon and making sure nothing is on the floor and making their beds. Do my kids always put their clothes away every night? No. Do my kids clean up their room every night? No. Hopefully when I go in and give their room a blitz, it makes them want to keep their room nice and neat and tidy. Olivia loves makeup, so although you probably won't see it a lot in the video with the camera, her cabinets, her mirrors, head to toe makeup, so it does need a really good clean. She does keep on top of this, but me as a mum, I like doing it. My mum used to do my room and blitz it like once a month for me and my sister, so as a mum I like doing that. But anyway, enough rambling from me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It gives you all the cleaning motivation. Let's get cleaning.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream.
So I am stripping all of Olivia's bedding. You might be all wondering, why do I have white bedding on a child that loves makeup? The reason why I love white bedding for a child that loves makeup is because I can throw in a White King tablet, which I'll show you in a moment, that I get from Coles or Woolworths, and you just throw it in your wash and they come up brand new and they're fantastic. So that is why I have white sheets. Also, I did a little Insta story the other day how I did a quick little mini makeover room makeover for Olivia. She wanted a pallet bed and she did have an ensemble base, and I removed all the material from the ensemble base and then it revealed all the springs. She absolutely loves it, and what's great is it's a proper bed and I just took off the legs and she is loving it. So her room's had a little mini makeover, and I just have a light fitting that needs to be hung up. I got it from IKEA for her, but I'm changing it to the other light switch because, as you can see, I do bang my head a fair bit with the current light fitting.
I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever.
And here on the duster, I'm just spraying a little bit of fabric softener diluted with water. It's great to get the static off and get any dust. And the other day when I went to open up the window, I broke Olivia's blind. I couldn't believe I did that, but I'm thinking of changing these to bamboo blinds, which will match her light fitting. Let me know what you think. We still have to paint the windows white. And whoops, I accidentally knocked Olivia's letters off the letterboard, and I'm trying to fix that. I don't know how to pop it in properly, so she's going to notice that I knocked them out, but oh well, she's lucky that she's got a mum that's dusting her room for her.
We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
Now the camera would not pick up how much makeup is on these Alex drawers, but luckily they come off quite easily, the makeup, with the method spray, and they look brand new again. My mum got Olivia these drawers. They're the Alex drawers, but I think they're normally used for an office. Olivia didn't want the tall, narrow ones, which you see in a lot of YouTube videos. She wanted the short one. She did have a little chair here that she sat down and did her makeup, but she's taken it out of her room, so I think she wants a new chair. But this mirror too is awesome. She got this for Christmas, and it has a USB point so she can charge her phone and it lights up. It's really cute, and she can do her makeup.
0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts.
So when I was wiping the front of this little Alex straws, my finger got caught, and I was a little bit dramatic, but it did hurt.
Ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long.
So this little timber feature wall that we have here is actually floor paneling from Bunnings, and Chris framed it up for Olivia. Her TV is going to be hung up on the wall, and currently her little TV is just sitting up on here. It is glued to the, not glued, but held down with, I'm not sure what it's held down with, but it's not moving. But yes, so she's going to have her TV up there, and then Chris is popping up a little bar, and she can hang her outfits of the day on there as well, because in her wardrobe it's all shelves, there's no hanging. She wanted all shelves in there, and I will be doing an organization video of that. It is neat and tidy, but I want to get baskets for her so it's easier for her to pull out and see what she has. And can you see the makeup all over this mirror? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good in the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts. I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me.
And the life of living with 2 ragdoll cats. Fluff on your bum constantly. Whenever I wear black, I'm always covered in cat fur.
By now, how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall.
And I'm just going to shake out the rug. The other day when we did have our vomiting bug, Will accidentally vomited on it. It said that you're not allowed to put it in the washing machine. I threw it in the washing machine. It came out brand new, but it's really hard to vacuum, so I just give it a really good shake, and you can see all the stuff come out onto the floor, and I'm just going to give it all a good vacuum and a mop in here.
I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing.
So it's been a half an hour later and the floors are all dry. I'm just popping the bin back and popping everything back on the floor. The sheets are still not dry and I've got them airing out on our Hills hoist outside, so they're going to be beautiful sun-dried sheets. Nothing better than jumping in a bed that is sun-dried fresh sheets. I absolutely love it. My kids love it. And that little bedside table beside the bed, Chris made for Isabel, but Olivia claimed it as her own because Isabel was happy to give it to her sister because it went with her theme. And it's just old timber fence palings, and he created a little box and she can use that as a little nightstand.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. To be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.